Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is a pat load moment indicator sent in by a construction company. These units are used in Hirschmann cranes to help the drivers monitor and operate their vehicle. When this unit came in, it would not power on, and its keypad was beginning to fail. We completely rebuilt the unit and then replaced both the keypad and its screen. ERD has repaired many electronics for heavy equipment systems and offers our 3-year warranty to all repairs, making sure your equipment stays running. So, if your indicator is down, call us today for your quote.